Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Ikna from Siamolek, and now we will take a look at the event editor and how to add event, how to use events, and how to use the event editor. So after you create the new project, you can right click and insert a new object. Choose sprite, double click, and go to images bank and choose planet cube and choose one of these character. I will drag this pink character and drag in here. Sometimes we got small error, but just click OK and click this icon, right click and choose remove. So the character will appear in the scene. So first thing that can we do is double click and add movement by click on add behavior and choose top down movement. Then click OK. Then we will to uncheck the rotate object. So now you can move the character around if you preview your game. You press the arrow button on your keyboard so your character are moving. Click stop for stop the preview, and now we can add a new object again by right click and insert a new object, sprite, and click a new object, game again and choose blue game and drag over here. Just click OK. So the blue gum will appear in here. Click close and hold the shift key on your keyboard to keep aspect ratio and drag for resize the game. And hold the control and drag this game and spread it in some place. Right now, we go to the event tab here, and here is the event editor. The event where you add the game mechanism. It is where you program your game. You can add the event by click add an event over here, and you will have two things. On the left it is what you call the condition, and on the right it's called an action. A condition is something that asks when add an action, something that asks what to do when that thing is matched. So the condition always compares two things. For example, if the player presses the escape button, and this is condition okay, and the action would be quit the game. Quit the game will be the action, okay? Now practice it directly. Choose add a condition, sprite, collision pixel perfect, and for object 1, choose new object, and for object 2, we choose new object 2. Click OK, don't forget. For object 1 is the pink girl, which call new object, and for object 2 is games, which call new object 2. We can rename the new object here. We can rename by Pinky. We can rename by Pinky and rename by games. So it will change automatically. So you can see on the event editor if Pinky is in collision with the games with game pixel perfect, then we can give the action. If she collide the games, we can add an action to destroy the games. So we can go to the object and delete object over here and select the game. Don't forget to click OK. So the games will be deleted when she collide them. Now let's to preview the game by click on Scene tab and click preview. Now let's to preview the game. Use your cursor arrow keys to move your character. And when you touch the gum, you can see that the gum are disappearing. That is pretty much how the event editor works. So that is what are the event used for. And for example, if you want to add new condition after the before condition, you can add the condition in small plus here. You can add a new event in here if you want to add a new event, and here if you want to add sub event, or in here if you didn't find the name of condition, you can go to down here. For example, if you didn't find the collision or delete an object, you can go to down here and type collision. If you just type call, it will show you here collision and collision pixel perfect. It is how to find something if you do not find the condition, because sometimes you not remember the place of that. And in fourth, sometimes we need to check this box. For example, if we want the player not collide into the ground, so she cannot press jump anymore. And so it is for all of this tutorial. I hope you learn a lot, and please watch for the next video, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.